We'll walk you through merging drives in Windows 10 or 11. If this guide helps, consider subscribing and liking the video. Open File Explorer, and you'll see a drive labeled New Volume E. The goal is to merge it with another drive. To begin, click Search, type Disk Partitions, and open the tool. Scroll through the list to find the drive you want to merge. In this case, it's New Volume E. Since merging requires deleting the drive's contents, make sure to back up any important files before proceeding. Right-click the drive, select Delete Volume, and confirm. The space will now be unallocated. Next, locate the drive that will absorb the unallocated space here. It's New Volume D. Right-click it and choose Shrink Volume. Click Next, check the available space, then select Add. Click Next, then Finish to complete the process. A prompt will ask to convert it into a dynamic disk. If you're okay with this, click Yes and wait. Once completed, the drive will now appear as an extended volume. Go back to File Explorer, refresh this PC, and New Volume D should now reflect the extra space. That's it. If you found this helpful, consider dropping a like.